Hey guys. What's up, guys?
Welcome back to Marissa with an S's channel.
It's time to go to Florida.
Oh, nice. We're sitting at our gate. Can we go get Starbucks and go pee?
Yeah, I have to pee and fill up my
Okay. Trying to convince
I do-
parents to buy
I
things.
do need it. Jana.
Should be
There's no-
Jenna.
Shopping.
We're about to board. We're gonna check our bags because it's gonna be easier. Bye-bye bag.
You gotta have some serious muscles to do that job.
The window is so bright, but it's so dark without it. That's such a... I wonder if my computer is. Mine
I
is so
wonder too.
pressurized. So that's what happened. How are you doing? Oh, great. She has to pee really bad. We're here. This airport is so strange. Georgia, you're turning right.
Yeah, she's convinced I dislocated my knee because I don't eat enough protein. Brother. We're getting our rental car. Or Wendy's getting our rental car. Bluetooth.
Oh, you look so cute.
I think you're lying to me.
Guys, well that's not gonna work.
So we're trying to Tetris our luggage into the back of the Tahoe, and we have a lot of luggage.
Little pageant people.
We made it to the hotel. We're going to find the bathroom.
And there's pageant
Somewhere
people
there's
here.
pageant people here.
What if I pee my pants? What are you gonna do then? What is this?
The double tree cookie.
Thanks! Oh my god, it's warm!
I don't wanna.
Go. We're still waiting. It has to have been like
20 minutes. Still up there.
we're eating food.
Silverware is better than no silverware.
Alright, I'm good. Let's go.
It's
My shoes
raining.
can't get
When we have to walk back to the hotel and Emma took off her shoes because they can't get wet. No, I'm about to put it under my shirt.
We are in fact waiting for our room. It's been how many hours?
It's 7:45, so I don't know.
A lot? Too many? 3 or 4?
Update, we made it into our room. I'm gonna unpack my stuff. Yeah. Good morning. We're going to the pool. Something not we just saw a celebrity. I was talking celebrity. We're currently tanning and swimming, but it is so hot. I'm actually sweating so bad. We're going shopping! It's 3:07 and 93 degrees, and it's amazing, and I love Florida. We're in a billabong, and it's so cute in here.
Blue, what an RVCA is.
It's surfing. Something surfing.
Obviously, it's a billabong girl.
Well, okay, well, that was mean. It's my outfit.
Look at my outfit. I look.
I'm sad I don't have money, but at the same time, I'm glad I don't because I wouldn't after this.
These fitting room lines are insane.
We're having a little snack. It's $4.50.
I'm trying on jeans right now at, where am I? Abercrombie. They have, like, you can change the light. Oh, okay, sorry. Big in the waist with the butt looks good, I think. I know. Camera eats first. Thanks, Dad. Georgia got a skinny-licious salad, and it's
It's still 5,000.
big. Hi, we're sitting on the floor waiting for Georgia and Emma, but we're gonna give our hauls. There they are. Hi, because I didn't. Everybody was walking back in like their nice clothes because they went to opening ceremony, and we went
going shopping. Stairs? Emma?
I take this.
Oh.
We'll see who wins. Okay, change of plans. We're going up the stairs too because the elevator kept reopening on level 1.
That's cute.
We're gonna go swimming again.
You got it. Not bad.
There's so much water in my ears. I'm about to go deaf again. It's okay, it's much better than actually hungry. You swearing. Katina got a fucking tattoo.
At Country Fest? No way, that's real, right?
No, it is. There's almost 100% gonna be someone there.
Cooper?
No, dude.
Horrible idea.
Someone's singing.
What is he singing?
That's not right now.
Literally all the police are in here, like looking like they're on a mission. They're going up to the desk. And now we have something to watch.
They're clearly looking for someone.
Looks silly because we're sitting like this.
You guys vlogging?
We are.
Hey, it's cool. I vlog.
It's a tattoo that Katina got.
Hey guys, remember we said we were gonna practice?
We just walked like 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. But now we're gonna go walk 1.5 to Einstein Bagels and 1.5 back. There was this like red faced bird thing. Wow, Einstein Bagel Bros. Isn't that good? It's coming towards us. It's so interesting. We ate our bagels, it was yummy, and my empanada was yummy. We're now going to the pool.
Hey y'all.
We can make it so divine.
Oh my god, it's like 100 degrees out here.
Let's hope it's.
We're on, we're off. We're off. And we're matching and we are excited. Are we excited? Are we pumped? Are we ready?
Nah.
We're ready. Excuse me, you look like you love me. We're here. I do.
Relevant and also on. Here, can we? Now that we've gone over.
Do something. If an incentives operation.
Thank you.
6:42. We also stopped to take our B-reels and.
Hi, update. We may have just competed, performed, presented too well. We might have just done it for the last time. Or we may have
done it too
bombed.
well and.
We either did really good or really bad.
What's up, Gamer Nation? I just finished my test. She's eating. Is that shawarma or something?
It's Nutella and strawberries, and it's hot and it's messy.
So
To Disney Springs.
I'm prioritizing my top.
Guys.
God, what are you screaming?
Walt Disney World! We're waiting for our restaurant. And we're looking at little lizards. But you for sure can't see that, but you know the thought's there. I got risotto. What'd you get?
Jing Pong.
What'd you get?
A salad with salmon.
They're making a TikTok right now.
You can get them in the hole, can't you? We're at Kate Spade and Emma found a literally Emma found a golf phone case. It's perfect for her. We're taking a sitting break and then we're gonna go into American Threads, which I've never gone into before. We're shopping and we actually are finding stuff. Doing it. Okay. We're waiting for our DoorDash and he's never gonna come. Maybe? No. Do you have McDonald's? No. Finally! Oh Lord. We just had a car ride to the beach. We're at Cocoa Beach. We're at Starbucks right now.
No.
Notice how the rest of us have shoes and Cooper looks homeless.
This tastes like ass.
Got what I know stuck to my root. We are getting an umbrella, so I'm gonna roast in the sun.
This is so cute. That's the one I wanted.
It's still purple.
You're in love.
It says you're in the mood.
Oh, in the mood.
There we go.
Watch out.
Hold on, I'm pressing the button.
Guys.
Can't reach anymore.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it.
shorty. Steak. I understand what she means. But then we lose so much like shaded surface. Oh, so ink.
I need to take off this dress. It's hot. Are you really crying?
I'm just at the beach. What do you think that's gonna do?
It's later. We're tanning. That little speck. Our umbrella fell over, but we saved the day. Cooper saved the day, actually. Good, my feet are the only part that... We're at a restaurant. It's so good. Do you think we've gone crazy? Crazy? We're making the walk to Universal.
Just a small daisy flower. Somewhere. I don't know where.
We made it. We're waiting to go on the fast ride. We're in. I'll go with you.
So you and me, sister.
I don't like slushies out of a paper straw. But it tastes different.
Go.
Look at our wristbands. Show your wristband. Light power.
I'm literally sitting there like this the whole time.
I was like, we're in Harry Potter world, whatever this is called.
We sound like nerds.
Yeah, it's that was so cool.
Okay, go.
Oh my god. Guys, let's get on the ride now. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah! I like the rain for a little bit, but now I just have these two belt bags under my shirt, and now I'm sad.
Well, jumping and skipping. So she could do those things. We made it to the mummy ride. Mummy ride? 10 out of 10.
What else getting like rain vibe from this?
Yeah, protect the donuts. Okay, we gotta run. Bye bye, Universal.
You're doing great, sweetie.
We can have him tripping with the donuts.
You care about the donuts more than me.
The donuts, Cooper. So I'm gonna do that. Ooh, I want that. Looks yummy. 12:26. Let's see when our DoorDash is getting here. Between 12:44 and 12:52. And we're dancing.
The thing is, like, I need a, because then...
Yes? Oh my god, Georgia, you want to teach us the church clap?
I got it.
Just share with me. Guys, it's 1:38 a.m. and Georgia's in her room and we're not. And we think she might be asleep. She flushed the toilet. Good morning. We're going to find lunch. This side of fries and sweet potato fries.
Oh, look at the fries.
Yeah, they look so good. I want one. We're dressed again. We're waiting for the light show to start, and it's almost 9. And we're at Disney Springs. I'm so excited.
I'm so thirsty. I need water.
Good evening. And discover just where you go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Hey, how is that possible?
Where's Georgia? I wish I could just have music playing in the background of my life.
Nerds at sea. I love that. I mean, yeah, can I go to Berkshire?
That's my name.
One video.
Oh no, you don't like peanut butter.
Yeah, but
It's so soft. First place. It's like cinnamon.
Oh, it is. It tastes like cinnamon.
Well,
it's pretty good though.
It's rich. We need some milk.
Someone press the 11 over there. Thank you.
Ooh, we should have gotten those. Actually hear them.
Is this for your YouTube channel?
yeah.
YouTube.
It's 2:44 in the morning. We're still sitting outside our hotel room.
We're not denying
Cooper
that's
just
his
spilled the
Instagram.
milk. Don't cry over spilt milk.
You're leaking, bro.
You're leaking, bro.
Right now it is
Me and
3:08 a.m. in the morning.
You're so fucking skilled.
You gotta check this out.
I feel like you're gonna spill the milk.
Yes.
I can't believe his name's actually Jake.
One fresh bowl for Marissa.
Can you not wear a hoodie?
No, actually. Guys, we're going downstairs.
No.
Yes, me and Georgia with 2 J's. Best
Two
friends.
J's.
Because I didn't.
So now we're in the game room. We got mac and cheese made for us.
It's made with love.
Last place is great. There's no clutch on this thing.
Careful, it's really hot.
Fuck.
Bring my wallet. You know.
First position, second position.
You guys have any
I don't
movie
know. That's it.
recommendations?
That's all I got.
Watched it 30
It is
times.
5 o'clock in the morning, and we haven't gone to sleep yet.
I don't think you're gonna be successful.
This one feels like it'd be sad.
Oh my god.
Yeah, what's with that one? It's 5:55. Waiting for Starbucks to open.
Are you like delirious?
It's okay.
He's losing it.
Yeah.
I'm losing it.
We're watching the sunset. We are gonna get
Sunrise.
sun.
Didn't sleep a wink.
A week.
God, that should make a time lapse of the sunrise.
Yesterday we ate dinner. Oh, it's chai with almond milk.
You're right, I don't like almond milk very well.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
How you doing? What did you get?
I got vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
Is it good?
No. It tastes like coffee, so she doesn't
So
like
yes,
it.
let me try.
Already in the.
Ow. We went in the pool fully clothed. Not really willingly.
What's up, Jack?
What up, Jack?
What up, Jack?
You're not even cut that shit out.
You should go tell
These
all
are me
your
and my
friends
best.
in your
These
school.
are me and my 3 best friends. Georgia.
What do you really do?
I conduct detailed annuity reports for over 700 plus clients, streamlining the
He's a
annuity
receptionist.
recommendation
On his
process
LinkedIn.
for senior
On your
financial
LinkedIn?
advisors.
Yeah, I read
I like how you know that.
Because he's not
What
a kid.
weirdo links their LinkedIn on their Instagram bio?
What was that?
I need to pee really badly.
Oh, it's so close.
He looks like Caroline.
Oh my god, stop
he looks
saying
like
I look
Caroline.
like people.
And Kate. Esteemed judges and fellow future
That's pretty
business
accurate.
leaders.
Please do this.
No, they don't seem to be any sort of rush.
No, it's not great.
Georgia lost her belt bag. We're checking our bags in.
We left the hotel without Georgia's stuff. And we're getting on a flight. They have all her contact information.
Our turn's on.
Sub to the channel, boys.
Boys. I think that's enough.
Yeah, it's time to stop.
You're not good at
Thank you, vlog.
Thank you, vlog.
Like and subscribe.
Turn on the bell icon.
Smash that like button. Can we get 10 million tier 5 subs?